Hey guys, if you're gonna buy an engagement ring from James Allen for Black Friday, I wanted to post an unboxing video of a ring that I just got so that you guys could see the packaging, everything that's included, and what an actual ring from James Allen looks like in real life. Now, this ring at full price costs $3,840. This is a lab diamond, 1.5 carat lab diamond. However, they're having a 40% off sale for Black Friday. So this same setting that was $2,300 is now on sale for like $1,300. So I'll put a link to their sale down in the video description if you guys want to see it and show all the rings that are on sale on the settings page. Also, I will post a link to this exact setting. If you want to see this exact ring, I'll post the product page for it down below. Now, if you do buy a ring from James Allen, it does ship in a cardboard box, and when it arrives, you do have to sign for the package. Inside the cardboard box, there's a nice protective sleeve on the actual James Allen box itself. Really nice packaging. When you open up that front lid, you'll see that signature red James Allen box there, front and center. This particular setting here is the 14K white gold Petite Pave Crown diamond engagement ring setting. And like I said, I'll have a link to it down in the video description, as well as all their other settings. This one costs $2,300 at full price. On sale, I think is around like $1,400 right now. But this setting is a bit on the fancier side. You have the pave diamonds going along the band, which I really like. I think it looks really good and it really elevates the look of the ring. But you also have the diamonds going along the prongs and that little band going around the diamond at the top. So a lot of extra diamonds here. So that's why this setting is a bit more expensive. But if you're looking for just like a traditional pave setting, you can get those for a lot cheaper on their site, especially with their 40% off. They're probably very, very inexpensive. And you can build an amazing looking ring. If you're going the lab diamond route, easily build an amazing looking ring for like less than $3,000 and still achieve like that 1.5 carat, 2 carat size. It's going to look phenomenal. The lab diamonds look so good now. It's wild. I mean, they have so little imperfections. They're stunning. I mean, you can see it here on this video. I do my best to capture the brilliance as best I can, but the video really doesn't do it justice. If you want to go the natural diamond route, they have a ton of natural diamonds as well. So if you want to look through those, they're on the site as well, depending on what you like. But I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I will have links to this ring and their sale down in the video description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more James Allen videos and more ring examples, be sure to check out my channel because I have tons of different examples on there so you guys can get an idea of the different settings and things. If you have a specific setting in mind, there's a very good chance that I've already made a video of it on my actual YouTube channel so you can see what it looks like in real life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.